In this video, we will be sharing with you the steps on how to do the most beautiful hairstyles for little girls. So, let's get started with the first one. Put the rest of the hair into a low ponytail while you work on this section. Now, start styling the top section, but first, make sure to bring a comb. Break the section into even smaller parts and tie such tiny ponytails. We would suggest to use colored elastics for a prettier hairstyle. Apply the same steps on each hairpiece. Connect the ponytails at the back and finish with a lovely bow. Easy and beautiful hairstyle. Hairstyle number 2. The talented hairstylist will be showing you how to create yet another hairstyle with small ponytails. This time, you will have to tie the ponytails on the side of the top section. The hairstylist is using pink and green elastics for this style. Add a lovely bow, and there you go! It's so beautiful! Hairstyle number 3. To create this hairstyle, tie a bunch of tiny ponytails. This time, she's using pink, green, and purple elastics. Follow these steps and learn how to make a pretty hairstyle. Your daughter would love any of these hairstyles with colored elastics. Let the rest of the hair down, and there you have a lovely hairstyle.